In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a gift card for Oculus Quest 2. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to buy a gift card for Oculus Quest 2 is to head over to meta.com. Now, once you're here on the main page of Meta, we want to click onto or hover our mouse over MetaQuest and then click onto gift cards. That's going to take us to the gift card section of Meta. So as it states here, MetaQuest gift card. So you can purchase any amount from $15 to $150 and you can redeem towards any game or app in store. So you can purchase this gift card and then you can redeem it for Oculus Quest 2. Now, in order to do this, what we need to do is go ahead and click on add to bag. I'm in Australia, so it's going to automatically redirect me to the AU site for Meta. But if you're in a different location, it will be in your region. So, and this is in AUD as well. So whatever region you are, it will be default to your own country's current currency. All right, so we need to go ahead and click on the big blue add to bag button here. So Meta Quest gift card. Now select gift card amount. So we got $25, $50, and $100. Or we can I don't think it can let you do a random number. Let me just have a look here. So I want to go add a bag. So if I want to do 75. Well, there you go. Yeah, you can choose any number in between 15 and 150. And then it says here, I'm buying a gift card for myself or someone else. So choose which one you want to go for. So if it's for yourself, go ahead and click on myself and then add to bag. Now from here, we want to go ahead and click on checkout at the bottom of the page here. And then how would you like the checkout? So it will say continue checkout with Meta account or continue as a guest checkout. I'm going to do a guest checkout for this demonstration. Then it'll take us to the payment page here. So we can do an express checkout with PayPal, GPay, ShopPay. Put in your contact information, your email address, and then your address as well, where you live. And then scroll down further and you can pay via your credit card, Visa card, or PayPal. And then make sure to put in your phone number. And then go ahead, after you've done that, go ahead and place your order and you should receive your gift card.